All right, so we've done videos about expanding logarithms. Now let's talk about condensing logarithms. So just like it sounds like, we need to make multiple logarithms into one logarithm. So using all the properties we had before, we can actually just go in reverse. So if I'm subtracting two logarithms, like number 13, that means I just need to divide their results, or divide the number we're taking the log of. So this would just become log of 3/8. Yay. All right. So number 14 kind of goes back to another video I referenced. We could change log of 6 to 3 to 1/3 log of 6. Now, a lot of students say, wait, can't you just do 6 divided by 3 and make it log 2? No, you cannot, because the 6 is inside the logarithm. It's not separate of the logarithm. If it were separate, like if I had log 6 and then times 6, then yes, I can divide those two. But because this 6 is a part of the log, I can't just divide them. So I'm writing it like this because, can't I make that an exponent right here, which would make that log 6 to the 1/3 power. And 6 to the 1/3 power would make it log cube root of 6. So that's how you would condense that into a more compact fashion there. So that number 14 is kind of silly because it's already one logarithm. I wouldn't touch it, but this is how you just have to use all the properties you know to make it look like this. All right, number 15, again, subtraction, but notice how both of them have a 4 in front. So that means they both have an exponent of 4, meaning when I write my one logarithm and write through over 8 because I'm subtracting, this 3/8 is all to the 4th power. Okay, number 16. So log 2 plus log 11 plus log 7. So really, if it's adding, it's all multiplication. So 2 times 11 times 7, which, if I'm doing my math correctly, you can make that log 154. Or you can leave it separate like that. That's fine. Number 17. Notice how this is the only exponent here. So I would write log 7 over 12 squared. That's how you do that. All right, this one looks like more fun. Here we go. So I have 2/3 log 7. Okay, the 2/3 can come up here, making it log 7 to the 2/3 power. Remember, the bottom number is the root, and the top number is the power, making it log cube root of 7 all squared. That's how you would write that. So that again gets into your knowledge of rational exponents, but that's the idea, and that's how we condense logarithms from multiple logarithms into one logarithm.